Hey there, fellow gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and coolest tech products on the market. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the world of retro gaming style with the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 gaming keyboard. Are you ready to embark on a journey back in time while enjoying modern gaming performance? Well, that's precisely what the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 keyboard offers. With its retro typewriter-style design and mechanical blue switches, it's a true game-changer in the world of gaming keyboards. Let's start with what immediately catches your eye, those vintage steampunk round keycaps. They not only look incredible but also provide a comfortable typing feel and a satisfying tactile click. It's like gaming on a classical typewriter, and every keystroke feels like a step back in time. Comfort matters, especially during those marathon gaming sessions. That's where the ergonomic ABS palm rest comes into play. It provides firm wrist support, reducing the strain on your wrists when you're gaming at an elevated angle. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to extended gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about lighting, because what's gaming without some dazzling RGB backlights? The S108 doesn't disappoint with up to 168 LED backlit modes and 7 color sidelights. You can easily customize the lighting effects to match your gaming setup or mood. And the best part? You can create your own unique backlighting style. Durability meets functionality with the top-grade aluminum alloy panel that not only looks sleek but also protects your keyboard from scratches. Plus, with 108 keys and N-key rollover, every keystroke during intense gaming is registered, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. The S108 comes with clicky mechanical blue switches that provide that classic typewriter sound and a tactile feel. But guess what? If blue isn't your style, RK Royal KLUDGE also offers medium brown and quiet red switches, giving you the freedom to choose the one that suits your preferences. Compatibility is key, and this keyboard supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It's a true plug-and-play device, so no need for additional software or drivers. And if you're feeling creative, you can easily customize the backlighting effects using simple shortcuts. In conclusion, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 gaming keyboard is a fantastic blend of vintage aesthetics and modern gaming performance. Whether you're a fan of retro style or a serious gamer looking for precision and comfort, this keyboard has you covered. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting tech products like the S108, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for all the latest tech insights. Have questions about this keyboard or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy gaming, and stay tuned for more awesome tech content.